The ride will be really nice because of the thick sidewall. So
we are going to go and then we will push the car down the hill and then it will reach till Shell and then Soham is going to fill the fuel and come back.
रुकेगी क्या? So welcome back to another episode of LoRa VRS Project LoRa VRS. And in this episode, we're going to be doing something which is very important and probably the most important modification or upgrade that you could probably do for your car, which is the brakes. And I'm going to be swapping out my stock 288mm LoRa VRS braking system for this massive 340mm brake kit which has been taken from a VRS or a Tiguan. So let's get it installed. So in case people are wondering, this is the size difference, and as you can see, this brake disc is absolutely gigantic in comparison to this one. And I'm going to be completely honest, the braking system that we've purchased is a used braking system, and I know people are going to roast me in the comments for saying that the disc is pretty much done for, but this amount of rust on a disc is pretty much normal. If you keep your car standing for a week or so, you'll already see a little bit of rust on the brake disc. So this disc and these calipers were in storage for quite a while, so this is completely normal. Once we put on the brakes and start using the car, this layer of rust will go away in a couple of braking maneuvers or whatever you want to say. But this is a upgrade that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. That's why I've been saving up a little bit of money for it. And I also have a kind of a solution for the wheels and tires. I just realized one more thing. This is the first official mod on the LoRa VRS. We've never done mod before on this. Technically first official mod. Hey!
Weights are not your first mod.
How?
Suspension.
Oh, that's true. Suspension technically mod, but yeah. Second mod. As for the wheel and tire solution that I was talking about, well, I can put on these wheels and tires. These are, I think, Continental Sport Contact 5s, 225/50 R17 with some Momo wheels in the middle. Not my favorite design, but once you put them on the car, they do look pretty nice. But let us know what we should do. I can buy these, they're in my budget. I can put them on the car and start driving with them. And one thing is for certain, that the ride will be really nice because of the thick sidewalls. So this seems to be a very good option, but if I should put on a more aggressive set of wheels, let us know what you have in mind. Comment down below. So the brakes have been fitted. Now we just need to remove all of the air from the brake fluid. So let me just... The usual, we don't have fuel in the car. We'll go and get some fuel.
Now we are stuck in between the brake bleeding because there is no fuel in the car. So now we are going to go and then we will push the car down the hill and then it will reach till Shell and then Soham is going to fill the fuel and come back. Good man.
So about the brake bleeding that these guys were trying to explain, well, basically you need to bleed the brakes for more consistent braking performance, or braking performance in general. And if you don't bleed the brakes and there's like air gaps in the middle of the oil in the lines, well, basically you probably won't get brakes at all when you press the pedal, and well, you'll probably crash and die. And the thing is that you need to build oil pressure as well so that the brakes work. So that is why brake bleeding is very important, and yeah, that's what we've exactly done. So now we'll just go and get some fuel, fill it up, and we'll take it out for a spin. A spin in a very long time. यही है ना बटन? नहीं. है. Sort. रुकेगी क्या? First drive in the LoRa vRS, I don't know, after like 3-4 months of it being just sitting in the workshop, waiting for parts, waiting for some sort of work to be done on it. And yeah, it's feeling really nice now. Finally see the car come together. It's taken quite a while. It's going to be almost 1 year in February since I bought the car. So it's definitely been a long process, but I think good things take time. So it's great to have this car in this condition now. To everyone who was concerned, as you can see, the rust is slowly coming off. not a big deal. The discs are in good condition as per everybody over here in the garage. So nothing much to worry about in that sense. But yeah, it's been really crazy to see this car getting completely transformed, and I think there is still a little bit more work to be done. And after this car is completely restored to the condition that we're looking for it to be in, we'll start with the stage 2. So let us know in the comments down below with one major thing: what should we do with these Momo wheels? Should I buy these wheels and these tires and run it like this, or should I get a more aggressive looking set of wheels? I'm a little bit inclined towards getting bigger wheels because, well, it'll look really aggressive. But yeah, I mean, these don't look that bad as well. But let us know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.